Living positively, living positive, living positively, living positive.
Molweni, namkelekile kusenqoba Beat It, inkqubo yawo wonke ubani ophila nentsholongwane kagawulayo. Abalingane bethu, izihlobo, abantu esisebenza nabo kunye nabasebenzi bezempilo. Igama lam ndingunokubonga Yawa kwaye ndiphila ngokuphandle nentsholongwane kagawulayo. Ingcebiso yentsholongwane kagawulayo kunye nophulo lovavanyo elaziwa ngephulo le-HCT luvakalisiwe kumaphondo onke eliloMzantsi Afrika. Intatheli zethu zasekuhlaleni bezindwendwele kulo maphondo, masikhe sijonge.
Sanibonani, namhlanje sila esifundazweni sase-Western Cape eBloemfontein la sihamba khona nethimba lakaSiyanqoba elizogqugquzela ukwenziwa kwe-campaign ekuthiwa i-HCT.
Siyanqoba! Siyanqoba! Awuphinde! Siyanqoba! Siyanqoba!
I'm a national trainer with the CMT Community Leader Trust. We came here at Kraaifontein to talk with the community about HCT. HCT is HIV counseling and testing. An individual cannot go inside the clinic or the hospital without being informed about HCT and the importance of testing for HIV. Once you get to know your HIV status, the sooner the better.
Into ebangela uba banditeste ndifuna ukwazi i-status sami and I would advise bonke abantu abatsha bateste because it's very important to know your status.
Dumelang, gompieno re tlile mo Winifred Mabowa Clinic mo Standerton go tla go keteka HIV counseling and testing campaign provincial launch ya Mpumalanga. Uzotesta nawe namhlanje?
Namhlanje ngisimise ukuthi manje ngisazi ukuthi impilo yami ihamba kanjani.
Sanibonani, namhlanje silapha eEdendales Hospital eMgungundlovu sizobona kulaunchwa iHCT yalapha eKZN.
This is a huge commitment from government. Now we have gone out to encourage everybody to go and test. Once you have tested, you know you've got to either keep yourself negative. If you are positive, you must approach the institutions for help. But most important, don't give that infection to someone else.
I think it's a good campaign. I think everyone must participate. We need everyone to know their status.
Manje iSouth Africa iyonke upresident wethu ama premiers o MEC bonke iSouth Africa iyonke sithathe responsibility kusho ukuthi iprovince iyonke neSouth Africa iyonke sebeyakubona ukubaleka ukuthi abantu kufanele bayitestele iHIV. Shuthi kwathina siyenqoba Beat It umsebenzi wethu uyabonakala ngoba njobe sihlale siphushela ukuthi abantu abateste iSouth Africa siyonke manje siphusha kanye nathi.
Siyanqoba Beat It says, protect yourself, protect others.